The incline plate press primarily targets your upper chest and triceps. Similar to the incline dumbbell hex press, some people say pressing your hands into the plate helps activate the inner chest. However, in my experience, a lot of the tension shifts to the triceps instead of the pecs. Plus, since your arms stay tucked in, you're not getting the deep stretch in the chest fibers like you would with a standard incline dumbbell press. Unfortunately, this movement has little room to add more weight, therefore from a progressive overload perspective, it's not the best option for building muscle. With all that said, if you still want to give this a try, here's how to do it correctly. Set an incline bench to a 30 to 45 degree angle. Grab a weight plate and hold it between your palms with a firm grip, keeping your fingers extended. Lie back on the bench with your feet planted on the floor, then press the plate directly over your upper chest. Lower the plate under control, keeping it pressed between your hands until it nearly touches your chest. Pause briefly, then press the plate back up, fully extending your arms and squeezing your chest at the top. Maintain constant tension by pressing your hands into the plate throughout the movement. Repeat for reps. Don't stop learning now. Click this video to master the next move with perfect form while avoiding the most common mistakes.